Welcome to Zapier Canvas 101. I'm Amanda Baker, Senior Product Manager at Zapier, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to Zapier Canvas. Today, we'll explore how you can use Canvas to visualize and plan your processes, unlocking your full automation potential. Please feel free to submit any questions in the Q&A tab or in the chat. Let's dive into our agenda and get started. Here's what we'll cover today. 1. What is Zapier Canvas? 2. I'll demo how to plan a new process in Canvas. 3. I'll talk about collaborating with teammates. 4. I'll talk about using Canvas as a living business playbook. And 5. We'll see how a Zapier customer leverages Canvas. By the end of this session, you'll have a holistic view of how Canvas can transform your process planning and collaboration. To start, Zapier Canvas is a powerful tool that lets you diagram and visualize business processes with your team. You can create detailed diagrams for every part of your process, from initial sketch to full automation. Canvas helps you streamline your business processes, share documentation, and keep your team aligned, all in one place. Let's jump in to a demo of Canvas. First, there are many ways to get started: AI, templates, and starting from scratch. Our AI system creation is a brand new way to create a system using interfaces, tables, Zaps, and Canvas, which I encourage you to test out. But for today, I'm going to walk you through starting from scratch. I'll use a lead capture process as an example. We will say when a user fills out a form using interfaces, I want to store in tables, which is Zapier tables. And then when I get a new lead in the table, again, that is Zapier tables, I want to receive a Slack message. Okay. Now I have a high-level sketch of my process, and I want to see if I can find ways to automate parts of it. So I can select this second part and press Get Recommendations. Canvas identified this Zap that can help me streamline my process. Notify me of new leads in Zapier tables via Slack. That looks great, so I can press Create this Zap. Now I have the pieces of my process, and I can go into the Zapier editor to complete this Zap. To finish up my documentation, I want to enhance my diagram with customizations such as actors, so I can select the people that are involved in this step. This is for my lead. I can update colors, so I want my table step to look like it's relating to my Zap step. I can also add rich text, so I can remind myself what I have left to do to complete this system. I need to finish customizing my form and set up my Zap. Now my colleagues and clients have a clear visual overview of my full process. Okay, now I'm going to jump into a process that I had previously created so you can see what an already running system looks like. Here you can see an example system for gathering user insights. This takes advantage of Zapier tables as well as Zaps. I can see all of the information that I'm capturing in my table, as well as how many records are in that table. I can also see how much time this system is saving me. So this Zap saves me 5 minutes per run, and it has run 21 times in the last 30 days, saving me a total of 2 hours. I can see the summary of this entire process has saved me 3.6 hours in the past 30 days. I can share this overview with my boss or my clients and ensure that they are all on the same page about the value of these processes. Now I have this living, breathing business documentation that makes my life easier and makes me look good to my boss. Okay, that was a quick overview of the core features in Canvas. One of the main use cases we've seen with Canvas is for better collaboration with teammates and clients. So I'll talk you through our core collaboration features: sharing, commenting, and live cursors. To start off, there are several ways that you can share a Canvas. If you're on a multi-user Zapier plan, you can invite specific members or teams to share with. You can select either editor, for those you want to be able to make changes to your Canvas, or viewer, for those you want to just see your live Canvas. Our other sharing options, available to all plans, include public links and downloads. You can generate a public link, which will provide anyone with access to that link a view-only experience, so they can see the live Canvas but not edit it. This is helpful for users outside of your Zapier account when you want to share a source of truth for how a process is working. And lastly, we have downloading an image of your Canvas. This is useful if you want to include a point-in-time snapshot of a Canvas and share out in a presentation, for example. Next, we have commenting. Commenting is useful for discussions with teammates, whether to seek approval on a proposed process, leave a note about a potential gotcha in a Zap, or ask for help. Here we can see I'm discussing part of the process with Bryce, and he would get an email notification alert so he can easily jump back into the Canvas. Finally, we have live cursors, so you can easily see which users are active in your Canvas and where they're working. This helps facilitate more real-time collaboration. We've seen our collaboration features help our users gain alignment on processes internally, showcase the value of their work, and win more clients. Okay, so I've talked through how Canvas works for creating new processes, documenting existing processes, and collaborating with teammates. But what makes Canvas different from other diagramming tools? At Zapier, we want to make automation work for everyone. With Canvas, we are going from a world where only one or two Zapier users in a company understand the capabilities of Zapier, into a world where everyone understands your full business process and operations and how Zapier fits in. Without Canvas, you may have experienced stagnant documentation that, let's face it, doesn't get manually updated very often. With Canvas, you'll have accurate Zapier information always up to date. We call this living, breathing documentation. And everything about your process can live in one place as a single source of truth. Rather than being dependent on a single key person for crucial knowledge, Canvas distributes that expertise across your team, making your processes more resilient and collaborative. And Canvas helps you convey the ROI, or return on investment, by showing time savings, and helps new Zapier users automate more with our easy recommendations, making your processes even more efficient. Now, let's look at a real-world example of how Canvas can help businesses. Chatham Oaks Growth Solutions is a digital marketing agency that helps small businesses with SEO and automation. They faced a common challenge: explaining intricate automated systems to potential clients. This often created a barrier to sales since potential clients couldn't easily see the benefits of adding automation. Matt Stevens, president and owner of Chatham Oaks, used to sketch workflows on graph paper, which wasn't efficient or scalable. Matt says, "We kept running into the problem of our clients wanting to see the automated processes to better understand what they were going to be paying for. A lot of people are visual learners, and so they want to see how it actually works." Upon learning about Zapier Canvas, Matt and his VP of Business Ops, Cole Lander, started using it to build out workflows for clients. With these improved visualizations after implementing Canvas, Chatham Oaks saw a 35% increase in client conversions. So how did they do this? Many of their clients are small businesses that use Shopify to sell physical goods online. Managing a Shopify store involves a lot of manual work, so the Chatham Oaks team focused its efforts on this area. They realized automating away these manual tasks is a recurring service for their clients, so Cole built the entire workflow in Canvas. From there, it was easy to share with new clients and demonstrate the full automation ecosystems available to them. The process handled everything from adding new inventory to listings to sending tracking info. This Canvas template they created immediately streamlined the proposal process. It also helped with contract expansion since it showcased additional Zaps that clients may not have considered. Canvas's collaborative features allowed different team members to contribute their niche knowledge, filling in any gaps in the process. Cole said, "Being able to create visuals within Canvas that people who don't understand automation can grasp and understand has been a game changer for us." This collaborative approach ensured that they could work together efficiently to solve clients' unique problems. Seeing the benefits of Canvas for client proposals, Matt began using it to document Chatham Oak's internal operations as well. This documentation served as a source of truth for onboarding new employees and ensured no institutional knowledge was lost. It allowed new hires to grasp critical workflows quickly, regardless of their technical background. By implementing Canvas, Matt and his team have bridged the understanding gap for clients unfamiliar with automation or SaaS apps. In turn, it led Chatham Oaks to sign more clients and increase their expansion opportunities. Since they started using Canvas in client pitches, client sales have increased by 35%. Matt noted, "I've always been a huge fan of mapping out business ops before building them. It's so nice to have a tool that actually does some of the work for you and then gives you an image to share." This success story illustrates the power of Canvas in transforming business processes. So, are you interested in learning more? Canvas is free and available to all users. You can visit zapier.com/canvas for detailed information and tutorials. Or if you're ready to jump right in and try Canvas, you can go to zapier.com/app/canvas and start planning and documenting your processes today. Thank you for joining this session. I hope you're as excited as I am about the potential of Zapier Canvas. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to contact me at amanda.baker@zapier.com. I hope you enjoy the rest of Zap Connect 2024.